Hi, I'm Dustin with Team AIR-zona. The secondary drain pan, the outlet is usually this higher PVC pipe that you'll see coming out of the side of your wall. So if you ever see water coming out of that, that's a problem. Let it go long enough, it'll look something like what's over here. Actually seeing here, this is an emergency overflow pan. So a problem already happened in the primary drain line, causing water to overflow into this pan and cause it to rust through. The reason that happens is this is the drain line that comes out of your air conditioner. Buildup occurs here in the trap due to the fact that it is a trap and that it is a smaller diameter inside of there than you'll have on the end. And it might be difficult to see, but you see a lot of rust and buildup inside of this one, which is what happened. So one of the reasons why maintenance is so important is you need to get this drain line flushed out and cleared out to prevent these kinds of situations, because this is probably the best case scenario.